In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently search through your Basecamp projects to find exactly what you need. Whether you're looking for a document, an assignment, or simply checking up on a conversation, knowing how to navigate and filter through Basecamp's search feature can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's begin by navigating to your Basecamp home screen. This is essentially your dashboard where all your projects and teams are listed, offering a comprehensive overview of everything you're currently working on. You'll notice at the top right corner of this screen, there's a magnifying glass icon, symbolizing the search function. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the /key, that's the ha key, which is a handy little trick that takes you directly to the search bar. Once you open the search bar, you have the option to type in a keyword, a name, or a phrase. The key here is specificity, which helps narrow down your results effectively. For instance, if you're trying to find a specific post or assignment by one of your teammates, typing in their name is an excellent start. Alternatively, if you are looking for a specific file that you've uploaded, go ahead and enter the file name. The more specific you can be with your keywords, the quicker you'll zero in on exactly what you need. Basecamp organizes your search results by categories, which makes it easy to sift through different types of content. You'll see these results grouped as messages, to-dos, documents and files, campfire chats, pings, and schedule events. This organization is a great help because it divides your search results into sections, allowing you to focus on the type of content that you're most interested in. So, if you're searching for a file, you can go straight to the Documents and Files section. Or, if you're trying to revisit a conversation, the Campfire Chat or Pings section will be quite useful. Once you've found the item you were looking for in the search results, simply click on it, and you'll be taken directly to that item within its respective project. It's as straightforward as that. There's no need to navigate through numerous screens or lists. One click, and you're there. Now that you've got the hang of using the search function in Basecamp, finding elements and staying organized across your projects should no longer be a hassle. So, next time you're in need, remember these tips for a more efficient and streamlined workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.